it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, we are going to be doing some quick and easy Dollar Tree DIYs for spring. So let's jump right into the first one. We're going to be utilizing one of the 5x7 frames. I have this one I already had in my stash. You can pick any 5x7 frame that you like. We also are going to be utilizing one of the moss sheets. This is over by all of the floral stuff and the Wreath forms in Dollar Tree in my store. I also have one of these little plaques. It comes with a stand on the back of it. This one says, "It's so good to be home." And I'm going to be utilizing some gingham black and white ribbon that's from the Rustic Farmhouse ribbon collection that they have right now at Dollar Tree. I picked up a couple of these, so we're going to use a little of that. This is project number one. Here we go. So now I have this on here, and this color on the backing here doesn't exactly match the white, so I'm going to take just a little bit of this light buttermilk acrylic paint and I'm going to brush it over. On to project number two. For this project, you're going to need one of the glass tea light holders. I picked this one here. I don't like the colors on it all that well, so I'm going to be covering that up. It has a little medallion on it that says "Live, Laugh, Love." I'm also going to be using this tea light holder. This is leftover from when I did my girlfriend's fall wedding pieces. However, they still have these in the store or something quite similar. We're going to need some jute twine, also some of the new foliage. This is a little plasticky looking, but this was like one of the better ones that I found, and I'm not going to be using a lot of it, but these are new at Dollar Tree, or at least my stores this year. And then finally, we're going to be using wood beads. Now, Dollar Tree does carry wood beads in various colors. You can use those if you like. They are a few different sizes as well. And they also have these wood beads in. Now, these are in near the makeup and the hair sections, depending on where it is in your store. In my store, these were near the hair section stuff, but I went to a couple other stores and they're near where the new makeup stuff is. You only get 20 in a pack and you will need a lot of those. So instead, I am using the smallest ones that were in that multi-bag that I had from Joann Fabrics. You get 400 beads in the multi-size pack, and I don't know how many I'm going to end up using. The smallest beads here that are in that pack, there's probably a couple hundred in the bag because most of the bigger ones, there's a smaller amount. So let's just jump in and get started on this. We are going to take these beads and string them on our twine, and then we're going to place them on our tea light holder. Here we go. Final project, we are going to be utilizing one of these glass candle holders, some nautical rope, one of these small 8-inch Wreath forms, one of these candle holders. They came in black and white. You could use any of the Dollar Tree candle holders as long as it's the ones with the bigger tops. They had some that were silver and some were gold. We're going to be using some dogwood. I have some pussy willow, which is new to my store this year, and possibly some more of the ferns. Your hot glue gun, some glue sticks, and we might put a couple of other little Dollar Tree embellishments on it if we have a chance. So here we go. First thing we want to do is we want to take our nautical rope and our Wreath form, and we are going to go ahead and weave this onto the form. I'm just going to do a simple thing. There's different ways that you can do it, but I'm going to make it really simple. I'm going to go over the first, under the second one, and then over the third one, starting from the inside. You can start from the outside if you like. We're going to turn around and do the opposite. So we're going to go under this one. So it catches, and then come back and go over the middle one. So we were under the middle one before, and now we are over it. And then we're going to come back and go over the first one again, under the middle, and then over the outer one. And we're going to continue that all the way around.